afternoon. Today I'm reviewing the Chezerra Charcuterie Boards, which I used to create an appetizer board for Thanksgiving. Let's take a closer look at why these boards have quickly become a favorite in my kitchen. The set comes with 3 beautiful boards that give you plenty of space to work with and make a wonderful presentation. It also includes 2 handy condiment bowls, see right there, a cheese fork right there, 2 cheese knives, and a spreader. All the essentials for a great charcuterie board. My Thanksgiving spread included cranberry jam and goat cheese spread with crackers. See, you could see, very nice. Everybody could get a cracker, spread their stuff. It's just wonderful. And there are the spicy ham roll-ups. This is where you would put the condiment bowls. I didn't have any extra condiments I wanted to use, so I left them out. And you could see I had it for Thanksgiving. It looked really nice. And here's the stuffed celery and extra stuffing, and again, Thanksgiving. And here's the entire board. It's really, really nice. One thing I really liked about these boards was how easy they were to clean up. Even with using jam and cheese, it was still easy to clean up. And they add such an elegant and festive touch to the table. So, if you're looking for a charcuterie board set that's stylish, practical, and easy to maintain, the Chezerra Charcuterie Boards are a fantastic choice. They look great, offer plenty of space, and come with everything you need to serve up something special. Highly recommended.